Make that thing just wiggle, wiggle. Left or right, girl, make it jiggle. Bounce it round and make it squiggle. Laugh out, you just giggle. Shake like you're going mad. Show them you just get on bad. Show them you just get on bad. Girl, just make that bumper drop on the gong, 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 drop on the gong. Stop, girl, just push it back and wind to the ground, 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 wind to the ground. Stop, girl, just cock it back and hold on the ground, 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 hold on the ground. Stop, girl, just make that bumper bounce on the ground, 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 bounce on the ground. Girl, you could get charged for whining like that. You could get charged for whining like that. Say you could get charged for whining like that. Oh, girl, you could make a jail because your body good, oh, your body good, oh. The way you whining good, oh, your body good, oh. Say your body good, oh, your body good, oh. The way you whining good, oh. Don't do that, don't push back too hard on it, hard on it. Why you doing that? You're getting on to start. Push it back hard on it, push it back hard on it. See them people over there, right through they watching you. You wanna whine in display, everybody watching you. The police coming your way, and they watching you. So you better act normal, because you could get charged for whining like that. You could get charged for whining like that. Say you could get charged for whining like that. Oh girl, you could make a jail because your body good, oh, your body good, oh. The way you're whining good, oh, your body good, oh. Say your body good, oh, your body good, oh. The way you're whining good, oh. Girl, just make that bumper drop on the gong, 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 drop on the gong. Stop, girl, just push it back and wind to the ground, 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 wind to the ground. Stop, girl, just cock it back and hold on the ground, 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 hold on the ground. Stop, girl, just make that bumper bounce on the ground, 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 bounce on the ground. Jamming on that wall like you don't care at all. Hard on it, hard on it. Your legs them sprawl like you having a ball. Hard on it, hard on it. Exactly that over there. They watching you, you wanna make out display. Everybody watching you, the army marching your way, and they watching you. So you better act normal, because you could get charged for whining like that. You could get charged for whining like that. Say you could get charged for.
Why they let Mama do the challenge?
I think it's me.
I'm gonna win it.
Me.
Me.
I have no idea.